Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're an investor, a founder, or a venture capitalist looking to deploy capital over the next decade, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're doing a critical briefing on what is absolutely, without a doubt, the next major technological investment cycle. We're talking about the convergence of artificial intelligence and robotics. We really need to move beyond the hype of just standalone software and look at what actually happens when intelligent algorithms take physical form. Because frankly, that is where the truly massive, disruptive market opportunities are hiding right now.
Okay, let's dive into this. There's this one specific quote from our source material that just hits the nail on the head. It perfectly captures the core investment thesis of our time. For years, decades really, the tech sector has treated AI and robotics as two completely separate silos. It's like they were in different worlds. But the profound market shift we're witnessing today is their convergence. The robot serves as the physical body and the AI operates as the brain. When you're evaluating future tech startups, this is the exact paradigm you need to be looking for.
So, here is our roadmap for unpacking this paradigm shift. First, we'll hit the next tech frontier. Second, defining AI versus robotics. Third, the shift from automation to intelligence. Fourth, the raspberry picking breakthrough. And finally, exponential reinforcement learning. Let's kick things off with Section 1, the next tech frontier, navigating key trends. Moving right into Section 2, defining AI versus robotics, establishing the baseline. All right, so to really understand the market, we've got to get our definition straight. Artificial intelligence, that is fundamentally an area of computer science. It's all about the algorithms, right? Developing programs that literally learn by themselves, either by chewing through massive amounts of data or pulling in sensor inputs. Now, robotics, on the flip side, is a highly specialized field of engineering. It's focused entirely on the physical realm, building and operating autonomous mechanical tools that can physically interact with the world. Basically, it's software versus hardware, data science versus mechanical engineering. What's really interesting here is how this convergence creates such a sticky, memorable framework for us to evaluate market potential. The true innovation, the sweet spot where astronomical unicorn valuations are going to be born, happens when the brain finally meets the body. You take the algorithmic brilliance of AI and you pair it with the physical capability of a robot. Suddenly, you don't just have a smart computer on a desk or a strong, dumb machine on a factory floor. You have an artificially intelligent physical agent actively operating in the real world. That is a game changer. Section 3. From automation to intelligence, the evolution. This timeline maps out exactly where we've been and, more importantly, where the capital is flowing next. In the past, manufacturing relied entirely on what we can call dumb robots. Think of those massive, sweeping robotic arms in a car manufacturing plant. They were pre-programmed to do one highly specific thing, like screw on a wheel or spray paint a door. Incredibly efficient, yes. Capable of making a sudden, intelligent decision? Not a chance. Today, we're in the present phase, sensor-driven machines. We take a mechanical body, throw on some cameras to act as eyes, and insert an AI brain. Boom, we get autonomous drones and self-driving cars. But the future, the real exponential growth curve, is in self-perpetuating, infant-like machines that learn entirely by experience. Let's look at a real-world example in Section 4, the raspberry picking breakthrough, proof of concept. Before this brain meets body convergence, there were severe limitations on what machines could actually do, which created massive bottlenecks in industries like agriculture. Take the raspberry. It is an incredibly delicate little fruit. Every single bush looks totally different. The exact location of the berry varies wildly, and you have to pull it with just the perfect amount of pressure. Historically, it was considered absolutely impossible for a basic robot to pick a raspberry without just turning it into jam. This high-dexterity bottleneck meant the industry was 100% dependent on manual human labor. And this brilliantly illustrates how the convergence of the AI brain and the robotic body solves previously unsolvable problems. Look at how it works now. Step 1. The AI brain uses machine vision to spot the exact location of the fruit on a totally unpredictable bush. Step 2. The physical robotic arm fluidly navigates through the leaves and thorns. Step 3. Advanced sensors in the arm gauge the exact, minute pressure needed for a gentle pick, literally replicating human dexterity. And Step 4. It perfectly harvests the berry into a container. Now, this isn't just about farming. The big takeaway here is that intelligent hardware can now solve intricate, delicate challenges that we used to think were completely out of reach for machines. Which brings us to our final section, Section 5, exponential reinforcement learning, the scaling model.
As an investor, you know you aren't just looking for a cool product, right? You're looking for the mechanism that actually drives exponential growth and rapid scalability. Well, the secret sauce to that scalability is a concept called reinforcement learning. Instead of developers sitting there painstakingly hand-coding millions of data points to teach a machine what a raspberry looks like, the machine just learns by experience. It registers every single failure and every single success. This creates an incredible compounding network effect. It's a self-perpetuating learning cycle where the machine doesn't need explicit programming for every new scenario. It actually mimics human infant development, learning to execute complex tasks the same way a toddler naturally learns to speak or stand up.
The source material gives this absolutely perfect example. Imagine a physical robot placed in an environment, and it's tasked with learning to walk completely from scratch. Every time it falls over, it logs that data point as a failure. But every time it manages to balance and take a successful step, it reinforces that action as a win. So the crucial point here is this self-perpetuating cycle. The machine is literally teaching itself. The software brain is evolving in real time, optimizing its hardware body without a human ever stepping in. Guys, this is the ultimate scalable tech frontier. Which brings us to the ultimate takeaway for your portfolios and your businesses. We've seen machines go from mindlessly screwing on car wheels to intelligently harvesting delicate fruit to literally teaching themselves how to walk. The brain and the body are now fully united. So I'm going to leave you with this thought. Now that machines have both a brain and a body, what supposedly impossible human-only task in your specific industry is going to be automated next? Figure out the answer to that question, and I promise you, you will have found your next major investment opportunity. Thanks for joining me on this explainer.